So do your parts come in painted automatically from the vehicle manufacturer? The answer is 99% of the time, no. When a part is received from a supplier or like your dealership, that part still has to be refinished and painted to match the rest of your vehicle. Now, there's a lot of preparation that goes into just getting the part ready before we can even apply paint to that panel so that it matches the rest of your vehicle. Another question that we get asked often is also is can you just buy the paint from the vehicle manufacturer would automatically match? And the answer is no. It's not like you can buy paint from the same people that make the fender for your vehicle. So Danny, what are some steps and considerations we have to take, when we're thinking about painting these new parts? What are some things we have to talk about?
Yeah, so like for the example of like a brand new bumper cover, we may have to do some additional preparation, like removing some like mold release agents, maybe some repairing some like manufacturing stamping marks. Once we get that panel, primered and we can get it ready for the condition of painting, now we're gonna have to mix paint in our in-house mixing bank and mix a formula so that way it matches your vehicle. So again, there's a lot of work that goes into ensuring that the paint matches your vehicle. We may have to spray the backside with a different color, and then that way we can apply the correct color in the exterior. So again, these parts do come unpainted, and as a repair professional, we will paint these parts to match your vehicle correctly. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.